I've got a few messages on LinkedIn from lecturers who are asking for a quick introduction on how to use OBR for recording lectures, because there's quite a lot of content out there for streamers, gamers, etc. But there's not a lot about lectures. So what I'm going to do today is I'm actually going to show you my tricks. I'm not saying they're the best, and I'm only just learning how to do it. So if someone else has a better way, please put it in the comments. I really do want to improve my own skills as well as find quicker ways of doing anything, because everyone knows time is precious. So what you're going to need is PowerPoint, as we all do anyway, and we're going to have a look at setting up for the lectures to be recorded in one take, or as close as we can to one take. So I'm going to open up PowerPoint. Okay, so I'm just going to put it onto my other screen. So in OBR, you can set it up to have multiple screens. So now I'm going to switch to screen 2. So I'm going to add a display capture. I'm going to do name it the big screen. I use 2 screens because I just can't. Oh, done the wrong one. There we go. So screen 2 is set to screen 2. So what I needed to do is go to the properties, put in the display, and put in the correct display. So I want screen 2 to be the focus. And then the camera, I want to make the camera smaller. You don't want to see everything. You want the screen 2. Okay, so you've got your big screen first. Now you've got your OBS screen here. You set your presentation to presentation settings. You can see your notes, you can see the slides, you can see what's coming next. The students will just see your presentation on this page. So then you can just read it really fluidly and do your presentation. Recording on OBS, just leave it to record in this background. You just record as you need to. And then when you're done, okay, we switch to OBS. And OBS will automatically, the minute you hit stop recording, export that video to where you saved it. Okay, so we hit, and for the purpose of this video, I'm going to hit pause recording because I want to switch screens. So I can restart recording, and then I go to my file to where it exports to, and down there is what I've just recorded. 1 minute 32, just showing you how to present on OBS with PowerPoint. I'll then take them into my video editing software to then stitch them all together. Okay, so you can do it in one take. The only reason I've done it in multiple takes is obviously showing you how to prepare the PowerPoint, then how to set up the OBS to work for you, and then obviously the saving and stopping. Okay, so thank you very much for this. So hopefully that showed you how to record with OBS, showed you how to change screens, how to add sources down here. So if you're using camera, if you're using your big screen, if you do multiple screens, you've got your sound settings here. So you'll adjust this if it's going over into the red. You know that you just need to bring it down a bit. It's not at the moment, so you're fine. Oh, I'm fine. You've also got stopping recording, which stops it all together and exports the video, or pausing the video. And then hopefully that's enough to get you started. The next video on the YouTube channel is how to edit. So I've used DaVinci Resolve. Reason for this is because it's free, much like the OBS. It's another free software, so at least then you can put everything together. It looks pretty professional. YouTubers use it, and that's where I've started learning from. But the reason I'm doing this is so that I can adapt it particularly to lectures and making lectures. So thank you again. Keep the comments coming, keep the suggestions coming. If there's anything you want to know, I'm learning really quickly. Like I say, I'm no expert at it. This is just me trying to learn. I'm willing to learn. Actually, I'm actually very, very open to knowing new things. So if you think there's a better way of doing it, if I'm using things, shortcuts and stuff that could be improved, let me know. We're all in this together and we're all learning together. So thank you so much. Please subscribe and follow me on the other socials. Thank you again. Bye.